how are you? Hope you all are good and fine. Today I am again going to take your next class of subtraction, chapter 3 subtraction. Okay, exercise 4. In the previous class I have just shown you how to do the exercise 3. Now today I am going to just show you the exercise 4. Here the fill in the boxes. Here the question number A is 634 minus 600. Means you have to subtract this 3-digit number with this 600. Okay. So how you will do? You will just see this is 634. You do it in your rough page. Okay. Here I will just show you how you will just subtract these numbers. Then write 634 and this will be minus with 600. 600 means you can write like this 600. Okay. Then you can minus 4 minus 0. The answer will be 4 and the 3 minus 0. This will be 3 and 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay. So like this you can subtract. The answer will be 34. Okay, then question number E. 431 minus 1. Okay, this one I will rub it. Write 100, tens, ones. 431. This will be subtracted with 1. Means this in 1 place we have to write the 1 like this. And we subtract 1 minus 1, it will be 0. Then here the same number will be come down. Okay. So what will be the answer? 430. Then the next 465 minus 6 tens. Here again the 3-digit number. So write here 465. And this will be substituted with 6 tens. This is the tens place. So here 6 tens means we can write 60. Okay. Then 5 minus 0 it will be 5. 6 minus 6 0 and 4. So our answer is 405. Then the next number J, 755 minus 5 tens. Okay, write 755. This will be subtracted with 5 tens. Again 5 tens means 50. So write here 50. Subtract 5 minus 0 will be 5. 5 minus 5, 0 and 7 minus nothing is there. So the same number will be come down. Okay. I think hope all of you understood this one. The answer will be 705. Okay. All of you know the hundreds, ones, tens, and this one already I have discussed with you how you can write. Okay. 5 tens means 50, 6 tens means 60, 1 means 1 and 600 means 600, 600. Like this you have to do the numbers. The rest questions are also in your book. We just see the book here. Okay, this one. See, I have done the 4 questions A, E, F, J. The leftover portion you have to do yourself. Okay. I think you know the process how you will do. You just do this one in the rough page and now you just write the answer here only. Okay. Next I will show you the question number 2, subtract. All of you know, just I will show you the few examples. Subtract. The first question 737 and minus 629. So again you have to do just here in the upper portion the number is smaller number is here and in the and here that larger number is there. So we have to make it the bigger number. So we have to take tens from here. So just cut it and make it 70. If we add with 7, if we add 10 with 7, then it will be 17, and here it will be 2. Okay. So now we will write the answer. This one will be 17 minus 9 is 8, and here the 2 minus 2 it will be 0, and this one 7 minus 6 it will be 1, like this. Okay. Now this one 616 minus 284. So 6 minus 4, here there is no any problem, because in the upper portion the larger number here is here and the lower is the smaller number. So we can easily subtract. The 6 minus 4 it will be 2, and here just see in the tens place the upper number is the 1, that is smaller than the 8. So we have to make it the large number. So we just take tens from here. The 10 plus 1 means 11, and it will be 5. So 11 minus 8, 3, and 5 minus 2, 3. 332 is the answer. Then again see 620 substitute with 489. So just make it large number as I told you in the previous sum. Then this one will be 1. So 10 minus 9, 1, and this one. Okay, this one I just want to show you. Here the number is quite different from the other number. 620. Here see 620 is minus 489. Here in the ones place and the tens place you see the upper number is smaller than these two numbers, lower numbers. So just make the two numbers bigger. So we have to take the tens from here. So first we just take from here. So this will be 12. Okay, and this will be 5. Again this side in ones place this 0 will take again 10 from here. So it will be like this, and if it takes 10 from here, then it will be again cut it by 11 like this. Okay. So I will just show you. Now you will, I think all of you understand. Okay. How I will do, you understood now? These two numbers are smaller than the lower numbers. Okay, 8 and 9. So we have to make larger numbers. So that's why we take the first, we take in the 100 place, first they take the number from here, the 6, from 6 they transfer the tens, then the 10 plus 2 it will be 12, and it will be 5, and then after that this from tens the again 10 goes to the here ones place, then it will be 10, like this way. Okay. Now I will go here 10. Hope all of you understood this one. So here the 10 minus 9 will be 1, and the 11 minus 8 I will just write this one like this, and it will be easy for you. Okay, 11 minus 8 will be 3, and this one will be like this, 131. Okay. Then this side again 306 substitute with 198. Again we will cut here like this. Again the same thing we have to do like this. First it will be 2, and after this will be 9. I will just show you again this side, rather you will confused. (306 minus 198). Okay. So first, as these two numbers are smaller than the lower number, so we have to make it larger number. So they will take the first tens place will take number from the 100 place. So this will be cut like this too, and it will be goes here. It will be 10, and again from this 10 the number will come here, and this will be 16, and this 10 will be 9. Okay, I have just shown there also. Hope all of you understand. I will just change the number. Okay, first they takes the number from the 100 place, then from the this tens place we will 10, and after when the number goes to the ones place, then it will be again change its number with 9, and this will be 16. Okay, now we will subtract it. 16 minus 8 will be 8, and 9 minus 9 will be 0, and this one will be. Then this one again we will do the same thing. 100 tens, ones, 588. This one first, it will be cut here and it goes to here, then it will be 12, and again when this number to here it will be 13, and this 12 will be 11, like this. Okay, now 13, 11, and it will be 7, 5, 5, 3, then 2, 235. Like this way you have to do the numbers. Okay, I will just show you the page. The rest questions you have to do yourself. I have shown you the few questions. The rest, the leftover portion you have to do yourself. Okay, now I am going to show you the exercise 5, the word problem. The 2 questions I will show you. The rest 2 you have to do yourself. I will just show you the 1 question. Okay, you just do the rest 3 questions you can do yourself. It's very easy. I will show you the process here only. Exercise. Just read the question. Question number 1. There are 649 students in a school. In a school, the number of students are 649. 125 students are absent today. 125 students are absent today. Find the number of students present. You have to find the number of students present. So first, you have to write in sentence. Okay, write. Total number of students equal to 649. Number of students absent. How many number of students are absent? That is 125. Okay. Then you have to find the number of students present. Number of students present. Write is 100 tens. 649 minus 125. You have to find the number of students present. So definitely here you have to do the subtraction. So just do 9 minus 5, it will be 4. 4 minus 2, it will be 2, and 6 minus 1, it will be 5. Okay, like this you have to do and write the answer. Hence 524 students are present in a school. You can frame the sentence yourself also. It's not necessary that you have to just write like this only. Okay. Hope all of you understood this one. Today I have just finished this chapter, subtraction in mental math. The rest question, the leftover questions you have to do yourself. For today I just finished my class. Thank you.